Hello everyone. Today we do the class 10th exercise 7.1 question number 2nd. Earlier we have done the question number 1st of exercise 7.1 and the introductory video. Now let's start the question number 2nd. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. सो जस्ट आपको करना क्या है, ये आपका फर्स्ट पॉइंट है, ये आपका सेकंड पॉइंट है. हमें इन दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है विद द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. सो दिस इज आवर x1 एंड दिस इज y1, दिस इज x2 एंड दिस इज y2. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस. लेट इट बी a एंड लेट इट बी b. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ AB. द फॉर्मूला इज x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and then under root. Now we have to put the values in this formula. That x2 is 36 minus x1 is 0, then whole square plus y2 is 15 minus y1 is 0 ka whole square, then under root. 36 minus 0 is 36 plus and this whole square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 whole square and then under root. Now 36 square is 1296 and 15 square is 225 and then under root. Now the distance of AB is equals to 6 and 5 is 11, then 1 carry, 9 and 2 11 and 1 12 plus 1 carry, 2 and 2 is 4 and 1 5 and then 1 and that is under root. Now we have to find this under root. And when we calculate this, we get the answer 39. That is the distance between A and B. So let's start the third question. So this is our third question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So we have to determine that these points are collinear. Firstly, what is collinear? Collinear means that sum of two sides is equal to the third side. And in this statement we have to find firstly the distance of this point to this point to this and this point. So firstly we have to find the distance. Let's start the question. So firstly we have to find the distance of AB. So this is the distance formula. Let it be x1, this is x and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So we have to find the distance using the distance formula. You have done earlier this formula. So let it be x2 is 2, x1 is 1 means 2 minus 1 ka whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 5 whole square, then 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is equal to -2 and then whole square under root. Now 1 square is 1 and -2 square is +4 and then under root. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5, then under root 5. Now we have to find the distance between B and C. So B is this, let it be x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have to find the distance between B and C with the distance formula. So no need to write again the distance formula, we have to calculate directly. So x2 is -2 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is -11 plus minus y1. y1 is -3 then whole square. -2 is equals to -4 whole square plus -11 -3 is equals to -14 ka whole square. -4 square is 6 plus 16 plus -14 square is also plus 196. And when we add this 196 and 16 we get 212 and under root is here. So answer is root 212. That is the distance of BC. Now we have to calculate the distance of AC. So for AC, A is 1, 5 and C is -2, -11. Say this x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So we have to subtract x2 minus x1. So x2 is -2 minus x1 is -1 ka whole square plus y2 is -11 minus y1 that is -5 whole square. -2 minus 1 is equals to -3 and then whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is equals to minus 16 and then whole square under root. Minus 3 square is 9 and minus 16 square is 256, then under root. When we add this, we get the answer root 265. So we have calculate the distance of AB, BC and AC. So these are our distances to calculate. So to determine that these points are collinear, we have to add the two sides and then we can put that into equal to the third side. So let it be AB plus BC is equals to AC. So what is the distance of AC? Root 5. So root 5 plus BC is root 212 is equals to में AC distance is root 265. So when we add 212 to root 5, there is no problem if you leave this answer here, because LHS is not equals to the RHS. LHS is not equals to the RHS. So we can conclude that A, B and C are not collinear, because the sum of two sides is not equal to the third side. So we can say that these points are not collinear. So this is the second question and third question of 7.1. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.